So hi everyone and welcome to another video session. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about commenting. So we Indians love giving unwanted suggestions. I am also Indian, but I am telling you, we Indians really love to give unwanted suggestions, free advice, jumping onto discussions, group discussions, and most importantly commenting. We love giving comments and pointing to others. So well, you can capitalize and encash this god-gift talent for creating backlinks by commenting of relevant contents like blog articles, videos, posts on social media. Like for example, let's take an example of a Facebook post. If someone posts a Facebook post on a group and the Facebook post engagement is very high, that is 100 likes or 200 likes, or you can say 500 to 600 likes or 1k likes even, and so then you, and that main post is related to tour and packages, so you can, and your niche or your blog is related tours and packages, so you can type a good and beautiful nice comment over there and link your website to, or paste your website to that comment. And you can also type that if you want to learn more about digital tours and tracking, then please visit our website. So in this manner you will start getting some quality of people or some quality traffic into your website. So as you can see that you are doing this thing, keep one thing on mind, that please don't spam. Please just don't do unwanted spamming on Facebook groups, or you might get removed from the group or social media like YouTube. Now YouTube has considered this thing as spam. If you are posting more than 2 to 3 times like these article means these links in the comment section, then YouTube has considered spam. So you can most preferably, I always use quora.com, quora.com. So this is the website where you can answer the people questions which they are facing, as well as you can share your link or your website to give the people their answers through your website or blog. So this is also a great way. Now one thing, and now another thing is that your comment should not look like spam. It must be a genuine discussion and comments, because people start hating spam contents and they will report you, and Facebook will eventually block you if you start getting reports, and YouTube in the same manner will block you if you start posting spam contents, and even no one loves spams. So that's it, and meet you in the next video.